Good morning from the American Muscle Car Museum. Beautiful sunny Melbourne, Florida today. Sun's coming up, looking great. Out from the museum today, we've got a 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air. Great example of the bubble top cars. This particular car is done in a Roman red interior in it. 409 cubic inch motor with 409 horsepower, two 4 barrels. Going into a T10 4-speed transmission back to a 411 Positraction rear end. These cars were built for one thing, and that was drag racing on the street, at the strip, wherever it was. This particular car is a frame-off restoration done beautifully. The underside of this car is absolutely pristine. Sheet metal on this car is laser straight. That's why it carries the red paint so very well. These were called the W head motors. If you look at them, the valve covers look like a inverted W. The NHRA in the early years with these 409s had great success with them. They were just really knocking everything out. The big racers realized the horsepower weight ratio and the torque factor on them were super great. So 409, big horsepower, two 4-barrel car, super street car. Again, thanks for watching us. We appreciate it.